In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable with N8N. We'll build a simple automation that pulls records from Airtable using N8N. Start by opening N8N and heading to your workflows area. Create a new workflow so we have a clean canvas. For the first node, add a manual trigger. This lets us run the workflow on demand while we set things up and test. Next, click the plus button to add another node and search for Airtable. Choose the search records operation. Because this is your first time connecting, N8N will ask for credentials. Create a new credential and keep this tab open. We'll generate a personal access token in Airtable. In a new tab, open Airtable, click your profile menu, and go to Account. From there, open the Developer Hub and create a new token. Give the token a clear name you'll recognize later. Before you create it, add the scopes N8N requires. The ability to read records, write records, and read base schema. These are typically labeled data.records. Read, data.records, write, and schema. Spaces, read. Scopes limit what the token can do, so only include what you need for this workflow. Then add the base you want this token to access. I'll choose the tutorial library base for this demo. Create the token, copy it safely, and close the dialog. Back in N8N, paste the access token into the credential field and save. Now finish configuring the Airtable node. Set the resource to record and the operation to search. Select your base, I'm using tutorial library. Then choose the table you want to query. Here, it's tutorials. If you want to retrieve everything without setting filters, enable return all, so the node fetches the full set of rows the token is allowed to read. With that done, click execute step. N8N will run the workflow from the manual trigger, call Airtable with your token and scopes, and return the matching records. You should see the data appear in the output panel, including field names and values from your table. If you don't see bases or tables in the drop-downs, refresh the node credentials or verify the token includes the right scopes and the specific base. Also, store your token in N8N's credentials rather than hard-coding it anywhere and prefer least privileged scopes for production. That's it. You've created a reusable N8N workflow that connects to Airtable securely, searches a base and table of your choice, and returns all records for downstream steps. From here, you can add filters, map fields to other services, or chain additional nodes to build end-to-end automations.